Alright, Mike, so now we're going to do the sinus protocol. So this is your frontal sinus. We're just going to tap here, kind of go back and forth, break up some of this pressure. You okay here?
Hmm?
How come it's hollow?
Right.
And right here, these are your superior orbital fissures, or little holes above your eyes where they can contain a lot of pressure. Are you okay?
Hmm?
And then we're just going to allow that to drain this way. This is your maxillary sinus. So just warm this up, relax that. We're going to do that again, okay? Just come through here, break this up. And right here. And then just drain down here. Warm this up, work all of this stuff out. Yeah, you can already start hearing some of that. Now relax one more time.